Hey divas, so in this video I will be sharing with you guys this look that I created featuring the new Desi and Katy collaboration with Dose of Colors, the Friendcation palette. I will also be trying out a highlight as well as one of their soft satin matte lipsticks. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so that is pretty much it for my tutorial. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this look. I feel like it's super easy, but yeah, it is really glam and like bold, and I think it's perfect for fall. And I also think it would be like a cute holiday look as well if you want to go for something that's like not so traditional and you want to do something that is like on the warmer berry side. I do want to give you guys my quick thoughts on this palette, the highlighter, and the lipstick that I got. So first of all, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. I love the packaging. I also love the packaging that it came in, but I was so eager to just do a tutorial with this, so I just already opened it and everything. But I absolutely love the Friendcation palette. I would definitely recommend it. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I feel like you could create looks so easily. Like I just literally used 3 shadows and the highlighter on the inner tear duct and on the brow bone, and I feel like it looks really good and smoky, and it was just really easy to create. I try to give you guys looks that are very easy to create, and I like to try to create looks that are easy because most of the time I wait till the last minute when I'm getting ready. So I just like to have looks that are, you know, they're dramatic and bold and smoky, but at the same time they are easy. So For this palette, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. You guys will definitely see it in future videos, and I will be taking this with me when I go on my trip because this is super nice, and like I said, you guys will be seeing this palette in more tutorials. So let's go ahead and talk about the highlights. So this is a highlight that they already previously had. I believe they were sold out of the highlight Chasing the Sun, so that's why I didn't get that one. So hopefully once it comes back in stock, I can go ahead and try that one out. As for this one, I really do like it. It's a really beautiful gold color. It's definitely more so coming up like cool on me in my personal opinion. I mean, you could see the golden, but it is like a little bit light for my skin tone, but however, I did go ahead and make it work, and I still think that it is a beautiful glow. And if you could make it work, I would recommend it. But if you're around my skin tone and you feel like it's a little bit too icy or like too champagne-y gold, then you can go ahead and pass on it. But I really do think it's pretty. It's a good one to put in my highlight arsenal. So lastly, for this liquid lipstick, so this one is in my main, and I believe this one is one of their satin finishes. So it's not like a super matte, it's matte, but it's like one of those soft satiny mattes, and I really love the way that it looks and feels on the lips. I just went ahead and paired it with Cork, and I think it looks really, really pretty. I didn't want to pair it with Chestnut because I feel like Chestnut would have been just a little bit too dark, but if you want to, you can. I like the way it looks on my lips personally with the Cork, or you can use a lighter brown lip liner, whatever lip liner you prefer to use, but I really like this. I love the way the formulation feels on my lips. Of course, I wanted to get, what is the lip gloss? Whichever one, Over the Top. I really wanted to get Over the Top. I went to 5 different Ultas to find it, and I did not. They were all sold out on the first day. So I was so sad that I couldn't get that because I definitely want to have that in my lip gloss arsenal because I love lip glosses. The other one I was not too fond of. You guys can let me know if you want me to try it. I can't even remember the name of that one, the new one that they just came out with. I really want Over the Top, and I think I'm just going to end up ordering it online. But as for this one, I really do like it. I think it's a very pretty color, and I think it's cute on deeper skin tones, as you guys can see. And I did pair it with a lighter brown liner, so it still looks good. You could definitely pair it with like chestnut or deeper brown, but I think it looks pretty. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys think. Let me know if you tried out this collection or anything by Desi and Katy. I absolutely love them. I love both of their channels. I've been watching them for years, so I was glad that I finally was able to get my hand on Dose of Colors as well as their collaborations because I absolutely adore them. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous divas in my next video. Bye.